We have a new distributor in Northwest Indiana, Ritchies Landscape. These guys have a lot of might. They have a really impressive yard and they supply all the contractors in that area. They currently are a contractor supply yard, and we're hoping that we can get them to also be a homeowner supply yard for French Drain Man. They have everything that we make in 4-inch, and it's for sale now at Ritchies Landscape in Northwest Indiana.
Hi, I'm Dean Ritchie. This is Nick. We're Ritchie's Landscape Management out of Hebron, Indiana, and we are excited today to get our shipment of French Drain Man parts. French Drain Man parts are innovative, they're durable, and they're easy to service. So we're excited about bringing that into our repertoire of materials.
We're also excited to announce that we are now certified French Drain Man installers and distributors for Northwest Indiana and Southwest Michigan. That means the homeowner is getting a longer lasting system that's easier to install and easier to maintain. If you're a contractor and you're interested in trying out French Drain Man parts, give us a call. We're more than happy to help out.
Ritchie Landscape Management is not just a supply yard. Ritchie's Landscape Management is a custom installer. Anything in your yard, they will build. And drainage, they know drainage. They hold the highest standards in the materials that they use and the practices that they preach.
Today I wanted to show you the difference between French Drain Man parts to our regular drain tile parts. Here we have a pop-up emitter from NDS. These things go in the ground, and what happens is when the water comes up, the lid pops off and it disperses in the lawn. Over time, when it's not properly maintained, grass will tend to grow over this lid. And then a few years later, when you have to clean out the lines, you can't find the lid. That's been a problem. Here, French Drain Man, here's a pop-up emitter from them. You can see the size diameter. This is over twice the size. Less likely to have grass growing over this. Another thing that we liked about the French Drain Man connectors is that these connection tabs. We've got, this is an outer coupler. We take our corrugated tile, we put it in. These tabs snap everything into place. All we have to do is take our stretchy tape, tape it up. We got a watertight connection. Also, I love this guy. This is the catch basin. Here we have our downspout coming in, getting all the roof water. We have a basin here that collects the sediment from the asphalt shingles. They tend to clog up drain tiles over time, and then the water passes through. And he's also thought about stuff like these connector sleeves, these risers. They actually snap into place like large Legos. We can actually put a catch basin drain here and make this part of our drainage system, so if we need to capture surface water in the lawn, we've got the parts for that. All these parts are part of building a better drainage system to add more value to our client's property. And over time, as other things have failed, French Drain Man has actually designed products that will extend the sustainability of our drainage systems.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.